Moreover, Dr. Abdul Kalam, when he was the president, in his president address, has also very clearly said that the government will consider of declaring all the regional languages in the 8th schedule of the constitution to be official languages of the union. The DMK has been insisting it for quite a long time, and in 2013 in Rajya Sabha I have moved a private member bill urging the government to amend the Official Languages Act to declare all the 22 languages in the 8th schedule to be the official languages of the union. Whereas the attempt which has been made by this government is breaking up an issue which is very, very sensitive. We are happy in one way. The voice which was once heard from the south only is now echoing from all parts of this country. So they should realize that they are opening a Pandora's box, which will create a very, very bad situation.
Think about that,
in the coming days.
Yes. Why are you opening this can of worms? Why are you doing this? Is the NDA ignorant of our history? The rise of Mr. Siva's party, the DMK. The rise of the DMK is attributable in large parts to attempt to impose Hindi on the non-Hindi speaking population of India. Language was the basis for the reorganization of several Indian states. Language is a sensitive issue, Mr. Kohli. Sensitive issue in India.
65 years ago.
Don't do these things in a hurry.
That is why
so don't do these things in a hurry.
Government of India's clarification, so that is why you.
So why did you do this one day after? No, one day after you walk into the ministry.
Intent
a lot is
with
being
some
said
people
about
for
the
whatever
circular that
reasons may
was
have
released. Let me say this: the current government,
the
current government has the power not to issue that circular.
From their
Their decision was taken by the earlier government. That could have been revoked by this government.
Sir, I just am taking a very
They're creating a debate which is wholly unnecessary.
So I'm taking a very short break, a 1-minute break. But I just want the BJP to think tonight. In 1967, the Congress party got routed in Tamil Nadu, and the DMK raced to power. It was on the basis of it was on the basis of these anti-Hindi protests. Hindi imperialism should not be done. I'll take a short break. I'm coming back on the other side. Debate continues. In fact, I'm told the central minister wants to come back for a clarification. Back in 60 seconds on the news hour.
This is Times Now, Super Time.
Just to put it in historical context, Kiran Rijiju is coming back to the debate. Jainarayan Vyas is also joining the debate. So we have strong BJP representation tonight. This whole resistance to Hindi, Mr. Kiran Rijiju, and I know you come on, you go back to 1949, T.T. Krishnamachari told the Constituent Assembly something. I'll just quote this to you. And by the way, I don't understand why within 24 hours of, getting into the Home Ministry, this Hindi push happens, as if there's nothing to do in the Home Ministry. T.T. Krishnamachari said, I would, sir, convey a warning on behalf of the people of the South for the reason that there are already elements in South India who want separation, and my honorable friends in UP do not help us in any way by flogging their idea of Hindi imperialism to the maximum extent possible. Sir, it is up to my friends in UP to have a whole India. It is up to them to have a Hindi India. The choice is theirs. The choice is theirs. These are the words of T.T. Krishnamachari way back in 1949. I don't think we've learned the lessons, Mr. Kohli. Even today, we haven't learned the lessons. Yes, Gaurav Bhatia. Don't think of it politically. Gaurav.
You asked that question. Let me
answer I have.
That, Mr.
Okay,
Goswami.
Mr. Kohli first.
Mr. Goswami, 1 minute. How can you say we haven't learned the lessons?
Because
how can you say we haven't learned the lessons?
Because you're not promoting all languages equally.
Unified country. There has ever you believe our priority is to get the health of this economy back.
Right.
Our priority is to deal with Maoism. The Home Ministry is working in all of this. You believe that this is an agenda. It's not an agenda. I think this is the clarification of the Home Ministry has to be welcomed.
I disagree with that argument completely. As of March this year, there are an estimated 33 million Twitter accounts in India and 93 million Facebook accounts. The primary vehicle of communication on all these platforms remains English. Will the use of Hindi over English to communicate the views of the government not alienate a huge section of people in the social media who are accustomed to reading in English? And why would you do that?
Not help the government.
What do you gain?
Yes.
What do you gain?
But
I don't understand what you gain.
simultaneously, just to point out on that only, because we used it in the campaign, simultaneously, the regional platforms and the Hindi platform on social media is increasing at a fast pace. So there is a whole section there that does it.
Okay.
So I mean, as you said earlier on, it could
Opening
be an idea
up,
like Mr. Modi was doing in the election.
Gaurav Bhatia.
It could go in all the languages on the social media, and why not?
Gaurav Bhatia first, please. Gaurav Bhatia first, Ms. Bahuguna Joshi after that. Gaurav Bhatia first.
It is one thing to promote Hindi, and the Samajwadi Party is the strongest proponent to promote Hindi as an official language. But to violate the constitution, which recognizes other regional language as official language as well, I think is something which is very disturbing. 65 years back, the framers of the constitution,
the Samajwadi Party should focus on governance, less about own languages.
Play a very important role. And this BJP government does not understand the responsibility it has for the entire nation. So therefore, why rush?
Please don't teach us responsibility, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, coming from a party whose leader says boys
Kiran
will be
Rijiju.
boys, and we cannot hang them for committing rape. Please don't teach us this, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia. Take these words of advice to your party.
1 second, don't make it this a UP debate, please. Kiran Rijiju, my question to you is... No, 1 second. You see, Mr. Rijiju, since you are the minister in charge of languages and you've been quoting the law, I'd just like to ask you, Section 120, Mr. Rijiju, of the Constitution says that English together with Hindi is the language of the Indian Parliament. The question here is of giving equal weightage to both English and Hindi, not using one at the expense of the other. Now, this note of yours, which is 27th of May, is about riding roughshod over English, promoting Hindi at the expense of English. Unless you want to marginalize a large part of the Indian population, why would you do that? Why, Mr. Rijiju? It's not about what you want to promote, but at whose expense you want to do that.
Please give me 30 seconds. I said today's clarification was because there were unwarranted news doing around that we are imposing Hindi. Please remember one thing. I and Rajnath Singh assumed our office on 29th of May.
Yes.
When this, you are talking about circular which was issued on 27th of May.
Yes. So who did this?
That circular, if you read carefully, was quoting what was already issued on 10th of March 2014.
Right.
Now, we are unnecessarily being accused of trying to impose Hindi.
No, 1 second.
That is why the clarification was
Mr.
issued
Rijiju,
that there is nothing called imposition.
Mr. Rijiju,
it was a normal, regular, routine meeting
but
of
Mr.
the ministry
Rijiju,
where I am the minister in charge.
Mr. Rijiju.
This was blown out of proportion
Mr. Rijiju,
and dragged into unnecessary controversy.
Now, Mr.
which is
Rijiju,
totally unacceptable.
No, Mr. Rijiju, you can't get away by saying that.
If people have to protest, then when Congress government, UPA government issued the circular, why was there no any kind of protest?
Mr. Rijiju, 1 second. I take you back.
And we have found that circulars were issued when we were not in the government.
Mr. Rijiju, 1 second.
I don't know how this matter was twisted around.
Mr. Rijiju, now what you're trying to do, is that you are trying to. Mr. Rijiju, you can be.
We are a country of multilingual, multiracial, multi-religion.
Mr. Rijiju, hear me for a minute. Hear me for a minute. Mr. Rijiju.
Some of the leaders
you're not listening now.
We are dividing on religious and linguistic line and all. This is very unfortunate. That is why a clear clarification was issued today, and the controversy should have been done. There's nothing called controversy actually.
1 sec, Mr. Rijiju, your initial comment yesterday made absolutely no mention of the government keeping the circular specific to Hindi-speaking states. If you are saying this, my question is, yesterday, why were you just... No, Mr. Rijiju, listen to me, Mr. Rijiju.
There are K and K categories.
Mr. Rijiju...
are those states whose mother tongue are Hindi.
Mr. Rijiju...
These circulations which are doing around, it's only for those states.
Mr. Rijiju, when it was your comment yesterday...
rumors are doing around, then we also issue...
How do you have geographical boundaries on social media?
Things which is not there actually in the department. department or ministry. It's unwarranted. That's why I said it is not even a matter to be discussed at this length. It was issued long time back.
Mr. Rijuju, if it was
passed during
no, what's it?
60s, we had nothing to do
No,
with
Mr.
that.
Rijuju, first of all,
I'm just a minister in charge in the ministry which deals with official language.
Yes.
It was just a normal routine exercise. Why we were blamed of
can you hear me? Can you hear me, please, Mr. Rijuju? Can you hear me? Can you hear me for a minute?
We intend.
No, you're not listening, Mr. You're making a speech. You're not listening to the question.
On equal footing. That's all.
Mr. Rijuju, I just want you to listen to me for a minute, please. Yesterday, your comments were taking authorship for the circular. You said, I have taken a decision that we will give priority to the promotion of Hindi. One minute, now let me come in all communications in various departments because it is our official language. Today you are saying it's not my note, it's somebody's note. I was not even a minister when this note was made. Then why did you take authorship for it yesterday?
That Hindi is not being used enough. It is an internal thing. It is not a directives to the states. Please understand that.
Well, you took authorship for it yesterday. You're not taking authorship for it today. But anyway, I take your point. Whatever your clarification is worth out there. But Mr. Beg, why are you bringing religion into
fact? I'm not diverting.
Mr. Siva wants to ask a question. Yes, Mr. Siva. Mr. Siva wants a question. Mr. Siva is coming back to the debate. Mr. Siva. Mr. Siva.
No, Mr. Masumi, I would like to get a clarification, Mr. from Rijiju. If he says that this has been drafted by the earlier government, this is not the responsibility of the incumbent minister now to hold it back, that it will create controversies. It's not just pushing the burden on another party or another government and we just passed on. It means that you are approving it. You should have realized the consequences of it and you should have hold back the circular which you have issued now, which has raked up a very, very sensitive issue.
I already said
it's not your responsibility.
On 27 May. I assumed the office on 29 May. Please.
But why didn't you pull it back? He's asking you why didn't you pull it back?
You were taking pride in this circular.
No, you were
claiming it. You were claiming that circular. You were taking pride in your
government doesn't cease to function just because a minister is not there, no?
No, but why was Mr. Kohli?
Is Ms. Joshi trying to come in and make a political point of it?
No, Mr. Kohli, there are three.
Is in what Ms. Joshi
there are four. You can't have two lines of argument. You can't say.
What do you mean by root? You were claiming it. We'll find out what truth you are.
My argument is to her making a political point of it. My argument is not about the issue that we are discussing. That's why I'm saying if she wants to make a political point on that, she has to acknowledge that the circular was done in March when Prime Minister Manmohan Singh was in office. And if you would like, I could name the Home Minister also in case there's an issue.
No, there is a slight confusion here, and I want to thank Mr. Rijuju for joining us. I'm going to. With Jainara and Vyas also waiting. We are going to get him on the line next. 1 second. Gaurav Bhatia, the root question at this point is this: the mystery over this circular, which we broke on Times Now yesterday, is one, I don't understand. If it is not a government circular which the Minister of State does not know, the Cabinet Minister does not know, Mr. Rijuju does not know, Rajnath Singh does not know, then why till 24 hours back were they taking ownership and saying it is our note? Secondly, if it is someone else's note which Mr. Siva says can be divisive on a very sensitive issue, why did they not oppose the note? I mean, if somebody authored it, you saw it, why did you not oppose it? It can't be a situation.
I can answer that. It's not complicated at all.
So the only conclusion which can be drawn in these circumstances is that it would.
There are many decisions of the previous government which can be revisited by this government, and the most unfortunate part is that they themselves don't know what is happening in the Home Ministry, and they do not even have the courage to say that yes, we want to promote.
We certainly know much better than what Mr. Akhilesh Yadav knows what is happening in the whole state of Uttar Pradesh. What are you teaching us about governance, Mr. Bhatia? Why don't you give the same advice to your own chief minister?
I can talk about
letting all
come on. Are you expecting us to? Can we have a sensible debate?
And they don't know what.
I mean, you're giving us ideas about governance. I mean, first of all, it's not a note on a policy issue. A note on a policy issue will go right up to the minister. circulars are issued. Even just now, the transport department in any one of the states of India might be issuing a circular, routine circular,
are you saying
which
you
does not
can't
require the
revisit the
minister's
decision of
concurrence.
the earlier
So I think you are
government? Are you
confusing
saying that
policy.
circular
You
cannot
are
be changed by
confusing
the
policy.
government?
You are quoting
Are
the
you saying that,
constitution
Mr.
constantly,
Kohli,
Mr.
that
Gaurav.
you lack
But I
the
think you
power
first
to
need to
change
read how governance
circular
takes
that has been
place.
issued by the
A policy is
previous
different to a
government?
circular.
No, I am my concern is on another level. One second, there is another circular sent out. Gentlemen, 1 minute. Mehboob Beg has to come back to the debate, please. Mehboob Beg has to come back to the debate. Mehboob Beg, please. Don't exclude him from the debate. Yes, Mr. Beg.
Please. Thank you. Thank you. Arnab, please. No politics on language, please. Please, for heaven's
Who's doing
sake.
it?
No politics at all
Right.
on language. Please, number one. Number two, you can't impose anything on in a democratic country and on a citizens of a democratic country.
Absolutely.
So BJP, if let's take them at their face value, if they have realized and they have gone back and taken a U-turn for good, I think we must accept that and leave it there. We can't do it in a democratic country like ours. We can't impose anything. We have to evolve a consensus, take everybody on board, and then take a decision. You can't forget about the sentiments of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, the sentiments of Tamil people and rest of the country. So you can't do
But
that.
why did you? Would you like to? Would you like Mr. Beg? No, but Mr. Beg, you can't say one thing and then go back on it. You can't take one position then try to take a high moral ground till 15 minutes back in the debate. Till 15 minutes back into the debate, Nalin Kohli challenged you by saying, "Why are you bringing religion into it?" You quickly moved away from it. You were politicizing it. You brought in religion into it. You brought in religion in the aspect of language. You make a dangerous cocktail of religion and language and then you take a high moral ground on it. Mr. Beg,
allow me. That's what BJP is doing.
But did you not?
You can accuse BJP for doing that.
You brought in religion.
What they want to do.
Where in the circular is there a reference to religion? Show me a part of the circular.
No, just hang on. I will tell you.
Make up your mind, Mr. Mehboob.
I will tell you. Based
on Mr. Goswami's question, you can't have a
what do they mean by uniform civil code?
Please tell me what
do they mean by abrogation of Article
2 minutes
370?
ago, you was talking something sensible.
What do they mean?
We were agreeing.
And now imposing a language.
Mr. Goswami
We are not against Hindi. How can you impose a language
at this rate,
on
you will
every
keep going in
citizen of this
circles, Mr.
country?
Mehboob Beg.
How can you do that?
Mr. Mehboob Beg, you
That
keep
is
going
their
in
hidden
circles.
agenda.
This is how you change your stand.
Because they want to they had promised
a minute
good
ago you were
governance.
saying we should welcome the
They had
BJP.
promised development. They had promised progress. They had promised
you're constantly
peace.
going in circles.
They had promised resolution
Listen,
of all
where was the
any agenda like you?
which are
You're
important
the one
to the
who brought
country.
religion
Now,
into this
where
debate.
from have
And
they
I'm
come up
sorry
with
to
these
say,
issues?
India is rising beyond that.
I want to ask
because you have a disastrous performance in your
I want to ask what just Mehboob Beg, by the way, Mr. Beg, I have a lot of
that on our behalf.
Mr. Beg, I have a lot of regard for you.
Of
You are a very experienced legislator. You are one of the most experienced legislators in this country. But Dr. Mehboob Beg, with respect to you, Article 370 and Uniform Civil Code have nothing to do with this Home Ministry circular. Unless you want to create that divide, please don't try and link up these unrelated issues, Mr. Beg. And the Congress,
you know RSS agenda. You know their agenda. This is what their agenda is.
What, the RSS is not running Government of India, Mr. Mehboob Beg. Please wake up. Prime Minister Modi is the Prime Minister of India. He is from the Bharatiya Janata Party. The RSS is not running the Government of India. Stop spreading these canards for your own political reasons.
Shahid Siddiqui coming back to the debate. 2 minutes left. Shahid Siddiqui, please. Shahid Siddiqui wants to come back to the debate. Gentlemen, 1 minute. Shahid Siddiqui's turn, please. 2 minutes on the debate. Shahid Siddiqui, please. Rita Bahuguna Joshi after Mr. Siddiqui.
But for every major decision, they have to rush to the RSS to consult them.
But you are creating a divide between Hindi and other languages. It's a beautiful language. Please don't make it controversial.
Now let me come in. Ms. Joshi, let me come in. Look, India cannot afford this kind of debate at this juncture. We are going through a very difficult phase, not because of Congress, not because of BJP, because of the global situation, because of the situation in the country, and we want to get out of this because of this economic mess we are in, and we have to get out of this, and we cannot afford this kind of controversy. So I will request everybody, the government and all the parties, that don't get into this debate, and even the media, please don't get into this language debate.
Tell the
once
BJP
if
not
this
to
genie is out of the
divert
bottle,
issues.
then we will not be able
Grapple
to put
with
it
the
back.
real
In
issues
60s
that
we
the
have
nation is facing.
suffered from it, and we
Why
don't
are
want
they
to suffer.
creating this
Stop
problem?
giving us
All of
advice,
us
Ms.
get together,
Joshi. We understand our
Shahid ji,
responsibility.
please.
Shahid bhai is making a fair
Everybody,
point. Let's
let
hear
everybody
that.
get together.
The
This is a
BJP is
genie.
the only
This
party
genie is out of the
that has to be
bottle.
more careful
Then we will all
next time.
suffer. The country will suffer. So let's not do it.
Gaurav Bhatia.
Let's not do it. Because,
Yeah,
I mean, it's
one
very easy
last
to
thing I
allow
wanna
this thing
say,
to happen.
I heard
But once
Mr.
it's out
Nalin
of bottle,
Kohli
it will be
Mr. Nalin
impossible
Kohli was
to put
saying
it back.
that the BJP government is in
70s country has
place and
suffered.
not the RSS for all important decisions. In the past, we have seen that they have to rush to the RSS headquarters to take instructions and then implement
You know,
decisions.
every
So how
time
can
Mr.
we be
Gaurav
assured
Bhatia
that
makes
they
a
can act
comment, I think he
independently?
commits a major self-goal. If he was a football
Mr.
team, he would have
Bhatia,
committed the maximum number of
don't
goals
be-
against himself. I mean,
Yeah,
every time he speaks, you have a chief minister in
It is
Uttar
self-goal.
Pradesh who has
It
three
is good to
uncles,
talk about
one
football
his
because
dad,
the soccer
and
World
four
Cup is
other
going
people
on.
constantly doing U-turns about his own government. And here he's giving us lessons of governance. What a joke it is, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia. Why don't you reserve these advices for your own
I
party?
think the football fever is on, and that is why you're
If the
talking about
BJP becomes
terms from the
aggressive,
football.
it is
I
not that you
I
can
raised
cover
the
up.
question.
Yes,
Well, I'm glad you liked it and you took it in the right spirit. But the message still remains the same, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia.
Even when the season is not
The
there,
government has just
even
taken
when the
over your
football
party.
season is not
Mr.
there,
Siva.
Samajwadi Party is very good. It is scoring self-goals.
Mr. Siva, before I go to the break, last word from you here. You said
seem to
you
be
said
very
to
upset
Kiran
with the
Rijiju,
Samajwadi Party. I don't mind
don't
it, Mr. Nalin Kohli.
don't exclude the DMK on this issue, please. The DMK actually came to birth on the basis of an anti-Hindi agitation.
Yes.
Let Mr. Siva have a word in. Yes, Mr. Siva.
Yes.
Yes. See, the clear mandate which has been given to this government emphasizes that it needs the government to serve and not to harass. Moreover, there are very, very important economic issues to be addressed and social development issues. Whereas this government is focusing on some other issues which create controversies. You rightly quoted Article 120 of the Constitution that English, which is the associate language, has appeased the people who are agitated in Tamil Nadu and in other parts of the country. We are against the imperialism and imposition of Hindi in any manner. They assured that it is a minimum government and maximum governance, but it's now seems it's a minimum government with maximum controversies. One minister comes and says abrogate Article 370. Another minister comes and says Muslims are not minorities. Another minister comes and says give priority to Hindi. So these are all good signs.
Yeah.
So we would like to give only one warning or one message to the government. Kindly don't repeat this in future, or else the relentless, untiring war from the south will be unleashed and we will be compelled to fight against it. We are always against the imposition and imperialism,
want that.
Well, let
and
me
in
make this
any
very
manner
clear.
it should
The
not
word
reflect
used was
in the
warning.
future.
And well, we assure you we will not govern like we saw with Mr. Raja and the other ministers of the DMK and the mega scandals that brought this economy back by years. We give you our assurance. Under Prime Minister Modi, you will see a good, effective, efficient administration that delivers the
we are
aspiration
discussing
of
about
every
something.
Indian, which includes
we can
all
also
over
talk
India, Mr.
about
Shiva.
from Pramod Magajan. We can talk about Pramod Magajan. See, this is a warning from the people of Tamil
What
Nadu on
about
behalf of
Mr.
DMK.
Pramod
Our leader
Mahajan?
has also told that.
What is there about Mr. Pramod Mahajan?
The issue
Please
which you
tell
are
me
told.
one case that he
If
went
you are
to
diverting, I am prepared to argue.
Did he spend months
Even
in
that
jail as
spectrum
Mr.
issue, he
Kanimodi?
also comes in.
How can you bring one of our former
also comes in.
one of our former
Don't divert the
persons
issue.
who's no more in
You
this
are
world?
equally to be
Are you
blamed.
dropping the debate
See,
to
I
this
am
level,
talking
Mr.
about
Shiva?
the language
That you will
issue.
bring a dead man in to
See, I am
bring your
talking
own
about
debate
I am talking
when there is
about the
nothing against
language
Mr.
issue.
Pramod
Mind it.
Mahajan? Is this the
No,
dirty level to which you will
No.
take politics, Mr.
Why?
Shiva?
Who said?
You can do your politics.
Who said? No,
Please
no, no,
don't
no.
stoop. I'm talking
No,
to
no,
you
no,
on
not-
facts,
not
Mr.
politics. You
Shiva.
are taking up
Your
an issue.
minister
You should
spent
argue
time
in the
in
right
jail.
manner. Kindly
So did
listen
your
to me.
chief's daughter, who's a
Kindly
member of
listen to me
parliament
and then respond.
on the 2G scam.
Listen
So is
to
a
me.
senior member of your
Listen
party
to
being
me and then
interrogated.
respond.
Don't you dare.
Let him respond now, please,
respond.
Mr. Kohli.
Just
Listen
because
to
I'm
me.
asking you one
He made a point. Let him respond now.
This is not
you
the way
can
for
have
a
the right
debate.
to bring up, take up the
Mr.
name
Raj-
This is not
of
the way
respected
for a
Pramod
debate.
ji, who's no more.
That's all right. You made your point. Let
Not
him
the way for a debate.
Certainly.
This is not
And
the way
I'm
for a
answering
debate.
you back in the
If at
same
all
way as
you-
the debate
see,
shouldn't be conducted.
You are leveling a question.
I
am
agree with
prepared to
you.
answer. I know
That's
everything.
why I say you should reserve your
When the
comments.
secretary of the DOT was out of session, we know what happened in the year when he was
Please
the
don't
minister.
go back
So
and
this
try
is
to
not
make
the issue to be
fictitious
discussed
things.
now.
Just because some script writer in your party doesn't mean
Mr.
that you
Siva,
can
Mr.
slip out a
different
controversy of your liking.
Mr. Siva and
Totally
Mr.
different.
Kohli,
I'm
a
talking about
fundamental
the language
issue at this stage,
Never
however, is
again
this.
attempt in imposing
Do
Hindi
not
in any
use-
manner
use-
which will be retaliated
use-
from the south.
No, no,
Use,
I-
use language.
I
One
take
minute,
offense to
one
the
minute,
point.
just a
How he was
minute.
raising
Don't
controversy.
Mr. Kohli, Mr. Kohli,
I
a
have
more
rights to
important
answer.
question to ask
He said
today
he's
is
giving
this.
us a warning. And
Mr.
a warning for what?
Concentrate on economic issues.
He's saying don't have any form of linguistic
Of
imperialism.
course, you are
That's
not
it.
hearing what Prime Minister Modi is saying, Mr. Shiva.
Talk about Samajwadi Party government in UP.
Now, anyway, now one thing I'd say is I am only concerned today that if Rajnath Singh did not know, if Kiran Rijiju did not know, one second, if Rajnath did not know, if Kiran Rijiju did not know, if nobody knew, then who got this thing done where you're going to promote Hindi at the expense of English? I hope it's not anyone from outside the government.
Mr. Goswami, it's a circular, not a policy.
I hope it's nobody from, because you know there are suggestions being made of RSS influences, etc. I hope it's not the case. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.
This is Times Now Super